Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the mobilemechanic 757. You know exactly how we get down. I'm working with a 2007 Honda Accord. This will work for a 2003 to 2007 with this key. 9 times out of 10, you're going to have this blank key and you're not going to have any access to the fob. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go step by step of how to do this. You take the key that actually works. It's not the fob, but the key that actually works. And we're going to do the instructions. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have the key right here in my hand, and I'm going to turn the key forward. All right, we're going to turn it off. And now we're going to turn it forward once. I'm going to press lock. Then I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to turn it back on. Do it again. Press lock. Number 3, turn it forward, press lock, and the 4th time I should hear a locking noise. Press, and it just did it. It's in program mode, and I'm going to press it again. I just programmed my remote, so I'm going to take it out the ignition, and let's see if we hear anything. As you can see, it's working. That's how you program a fob. I have the instructions, but I don't need them. So what you're going to do, again, you're going to put the original key in all the way forward. Don't turn the car on. You press lock once. You do it 4 times. On the 4th time, you're going to hear the locks actually going to lock. That means it's in program mode. While the key is still all the way in position number 3 with all the dash lights, you press it on for the 2nd time. And once you do that, it actually will be programmed. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.